Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Hey, what's up?
Not much, just chilling. How about you?
Good morning, how is your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. How about you?
Hi there, how is everything going?
Everything is going well. How about yourself?
How is your day, how are things?
Things are going great. How about you?
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, thanks. How about you?
What's new?
Not much, how about you?
Morning, how are things?
Things are going good, how about you?
Good day, how are you feeling?
Feeling great, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how is life treating you?
Life is good, thanks. How about you?
Hey, how have you been?
I've been good, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how is your day going?
It's going well, how about yours?
Good morning, how did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you. How about you?
Hi there, how has your week been so far?
It's been pretty good. How about you?
Hello, how has your day been going?
My day has been good, thanks. How about yours?
How is it going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how is your day treating you?
It's treating me well, thanks. How about yours?
Good morning, how are you holding up?
I'm holding up fine, thanks. How about you?
Hi there, how have you been lately?
I've been doing well, thanks. How about you?
Hey, how has your day been so far?
It's been good, thanks. How about yours?
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thanks. How about you?
Hello, how have things been going?
Things have been going pretty well, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how is your day treating you so far?
It's treating me well, thanks. How about yours?
Good day, how was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. How about yours?
How have you been keeping?
I've been keeping well, thanks. How about you?
Hi there, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just hanging out. How about you?
Hey, how has everything been going?
Everything has been going well, thanks. How about you?
How has life been treating you?
Life has been treating me well, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how has your day been treating you so far?
It's been treating me well, thanks. How about yours?
Good morning, how are things in your neck of the woods?
Things are good here, thanks. How about where you are?
Hi there, how has your day been going so far?
It's been going pretty well, thanks. How about yours?
Hey, how are you holding up today?
I'm doing fine, thanks. How about you?
Good day, how is everything going with you?
Everything is going well, thanks. How about you?
How has your week been treating you so far?
It's been treating me well, thanks. How about yours?
Hi, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just hanging out. How about you?
Hey, how has your day been going?
It's been going pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
How has everything been going with you lately?
Everything has been going well, thanks. How about you?
Hi there, how has your day been treating you?
It's treating me well, thanks. How about yours?
Good morning, how are things going for you?
Things are going good, thanks. How about you?
Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Hi, how has your day been so far?
It's been going good, thanks. How about yours?
How has everything been going these days?
Everything is going well, thanks. How about you?
Hi there, how has your day been treating you so far?
It's treating me well, thanks. How about yours?